guys, welcome to my new video about Wix Studio, and today I will show you how to add this type of animations that I made in Figma to your website without any code. So let's get started. Okay guys, open Wix Studio, go to Add Elements and choose the repeater here. Resize it as you wish. Scroll down and add gaps between items. I added 35 pixels here. Now click on one of the items and add a shadows. Click toggle. And here you can adjust shadows as you wish. You can change the angle, distance, size, blur intensity, and color. Now round the corner. The higher the value, the more rounded the corners will be. Okay, click on the item and add a background image. Repeater is a very useful tool when you need to create similar elements. It automatically repeats the main characteristics of the elements such as size, position, and animation. But we can easily change the background image. Now we need to round the corners of our background images. Since it's a repeater, corners will automatically get rounded for other two as well. Now go to Add Elements and choose Image. Resize it. And add our media here. Repeat the same steps with the remaining images. By the way, you often ask me where I find the markups for my projects, so here is the source I use. You will find a great selection of mockups on Freepik. Now let's get back to our design. Go to Add Elements and add a caps for our bottles. I have prepared separate images of caps on purpose so I can add an animation later. Adjust the size so they fit the size of the bottles and add our caps to other items. Now we're adding splash elements. Choose our splash elements. Adjust the size and position. Add others. Go to Layers and move our splash elements backwards. Now rename our layers for convenience. And we need to add the Buy Now button. Go to Add Elements and choose a button. Resize it. Here you can change a text and add a link. Okay, now change the design of our button. Change the font. Round the corners. Remove the background and add borders. Now we need to move our buttons down, find the Y value and add a 550 pixels. Great! Our design is done and we can start creating animations. Go to Layers and choose Item. Go to Animation and Effects. Choose Hover. And a very important thing here, we need to change the animated element to our cup image. Choose Move and adjust the animation. Here you can adjust the angle, distance, and duration. Click on Preview to check the animation. And add another one. Here let's change the animated elements to our bottle. Choose the move animation here as well and adjust it. Add the next animation. Here change the animated element to splash elements. Choose the twist animation and adjust it. And here is super important moment. We have to change from current position to into current position. Adjust the remaining parameters. And now add the last animation. Change the animated element to our button. Choose the move animation and set the distance so our button moves up. And that is it. Let's check the final results. Looks great. Don't forget like and subscribe to not miss new tutorial. You will find all links and training resources in the description. So go to Wix Studio and let's create magic together.